The CE-18255 error code on the PS5 signifies a database corruption or data integrity failure and causes Stalker 2 to crash. It's often triggered by the game's demanding open-world elements like dynamic weather, AI encounters, and procedural anomalies straining the PS5's custom SSD. This leads to rapid data writes and reads that can overwhelm the system. Hardware limitations, firmware interactions, and even the game engine, a modified Unreal Engine 5, contribute to this problem. Community reports show that this error is more common on PS5 than other platforms. Addressing this requires understanding the PS5 system maintenance, the game's memory management, and user-driven workarounds to restore the PS5's internal database. While a definitive fix from GSC Game World is still anticipated, several workarounds exist. The most common solution is to rebuild the PS5 database via safe mode. After rebuilding the database, reinstall STUP2 to ensure clean game files. Some users have reported success using an external SSD, although this isn't officially recommended by Sony. Keep your PS5 firmware updated, as some updates may address background processes interfering with the game. If the problem persists, consider reducing the number of installed games to minimize storage fragmentation. Stay updated with community guides on sites like PS5 Trophies, YouTube tutorials, and the official GSC Discord for community-discovered fixes. It's likely that enhanced SSD management will be incorporated in future PS5 firmware or game patches. A definitive fix from GSC Game World is anticipated in Q1 2026's major stability update.